Hey everybody, I'm going to do another really quick and simple lesson. This is how I usually get my monthly, weekly, daily support resistance levels. And they do come in handy, but for right now, I'm not going to dive into depth. I'm just going to show you how I get them. So first thing that I'm doing right now is going to the monthly. So let's just pretend that this is the last candle Friday. So the market's closed. I'm going to get ready for next week. So I'm going to mark the monthly high, which is our resistance, and our monthly low, which is our monthly support. Now I'm going to drop down to the week. And you can do these lines in different colors. That way you remember what they are. So on the weekly, this is the whole week right here. So that is our weekly high. And obviously our weekly low is the same as our monthly. So I'm not going to touch that. And now I'm going to go down to the daily. And as you can see, that was our last daily high. And this is our daily low. So now we have our monthly, weekly, and daily levels. And you can see they kind of line up. Like this looks like a good support area. So if I'm trading on the daily, I'm going to add this line in because here you can see it's supporting, 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 and now it's resisting. So that's a strong level to have. And if you find any other super strong levels. So if I'm trading on the daily, quite simply, all these would be my targets. So if we got a breakout of here, I would buy with the target to there. We break out there, I buy to a target there. Same story here. But it breaks below, I'm going to sell, or you can channel trade these. But this is basically how I get my levels, and they are definitely the most powerful levels. So for daily traders or people that go down to the smaller time frames, it would look something like this. You know, you get your levels there, and it's the same story. The more time frames you drop down, the more price action levels you can add. See, like this is support there, resistance there. So typically I trade on the daily, and let's say I'm waiting for I just changed it, so don't worry about that. So I'm waiting for a break of this level or break below that level to enter. So I'm going to mark that. And this is really beyond what my point is for this video. Is just a simple short video on monthly, weekly, daily levels. So normally when I trade, I'm looking on the daily and get my targets just like this. I drop down to the 4-hour to look for entries. So I need to make entry rules to enter this trade. So you can draw trend lines. You can see here it's already broke that level, so it's likely going to push up to this level. So what I would do from there is potentially measure Fibonacci up to this level that it looks like it's going to go to, and then I can start making targets for my rejection. So obviously this is going to be a target. 0.5 fib lines up right there, as you can see, 0.5. So this would be a good retrace target. Obviously this is going to come in play, and this is going to come in play. So just keep in mind that if you're trading on the daily, drop down to the 4-hour to look for entry. If this was the break, then I would buy to here. So it's just all about making entry rules and getting as many together as you can. And if your Fibonacci levels match up with good price action levels, that's always a bonus. So just use the first part of this video as the real lesson, because I'll dive much deeper into all these rules here. So give it a try on your screen, and hope it works out for you. And I will be going over it again for sure.